In this video, I will share with you how to save $500,000 for retirement, a strategy which I have followed. But before we dive in, if advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for bringing you this valuable information. Now let's continue. Imagine waking up one morning, realizing you've saved $500,000 for retirement. That's not just a number. It's peace of mind, freedom, and the ability to live life on your terms. But here's the truth. Most people never get there. Not because they can't, but because they don't know how. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to save $500,000 for retirement, step by step. And I promise, it's easier than you think. 1. Start with a plan. The first step isn't money, it's mindset. You need a clear plan. Think about your goal like climbing a mountain. You wouldn't just start walking without a map. Saving for retirement is the same way. Decide on your number, break it into smaller milestones, and track your progress along the way. 2. Pay yourself first. Here's a simple rule that can change your entire future. Pay yourself first. Treat your savings like a bill you can't skip. Even if it's just $500 a month invested in a retirement account earning 7% a year, in 30 years you're looking at over $600,000. That's the magic of compounding. Your money works harder than you do. 3. Invest, don't just save. Saving is good, but investing is what takes you across the finish line. Leaving money in a regular savings account is like running a marathon with one shoe. To hit $500,000, you need your money growing through stocks, index funds, or retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. The earlier you start, the less you have to save, because time does most of the heavy lifting. 4. Avoid the common. Now, let's talk about what not to do. Don't raid your retirement account for quick cash. It sets you back years. Don't ignore high-interest debt, because paying 20% interest on credit cards while earning 7% in investments is like filling a bucket with a hole in it. And finally, avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you make more doesn't mean you should spend more. Your future self will thank. So here's the bottom line. If you start with a plan, pay yourself first, invest consistently, and avoid the money traps, $500,000 isn't just possible, it's waiting for you. Every dollar you save today is your future freedom. Imagine that stick man we started with, smiling because he knows retirement isn't a dream anymore, it's real. Now your turn. Will you start building your $500,000 future today? If you found this information helpful, please hit that thumbs up button to give us a like. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss any of our value-packed videos when they are uploaded. Comment below to share any suggestions, questions, or helpful tips other viewers could benefit from. Disclaimer: this video is for equipping, educating, and empowering and should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk. Always consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Your financial well-being is paramount.